how to create a database. So we're using SQL commands. There are other ways you can create, but I'm going to focus on how to use SQL commands. So this is just the command, very simple. You say create database, then the name of the database. If the name of the database is Amazon, you write Amazon. If the name of the database is eBay, you write eBay. If the name of the database is Alibaba, for instance, you write Alibaba. So that is how to create. Just type the commands. So we are going to go to the workbench right now and look at it practically. So we are welcome to the MySQL workbench. That is where we have been doing our practice and to understand how to use some of this SQL query. So let me zoom it big so that you can see it. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Now these are the database that I previously used in my works, personally. So I'm going to create a new database that's not existing here. So but not going to create table in it. I want to show you how to create database and then delete database. So to create a database, you say create. You just write the keyword create. In the normal conventions, you use capital letter for keywords, but I'll use small letter. Create database. Create database. Let me just say marketplace. Okay. If it's marketplace, my thing. Database, I'll write marketplace. Then I will end with semicolon. I told you in English, you end with full stop for a statement you make or a sentence. You end with full stop. But in SQL, you end with semicolon. Okay. So that is it. So when you are through, you will run it. So I want to run that line. So I'll run it. You see the database which reflector is going to show here. So I'll click now. So if I click it, it's showing, but you are not seeing it. So what I will do, you see this button here, you refresh it. You click, it's refreshed. So you see marketplace here. If you check now, you check the table. There's no table here. It could have been expanded. So you can see marketplaces already here. Okay. So that is it. Stay tuned to the end of this class. I'm going to show you one more thing. So I just remember. Okay. So let's move. Okay, so we are through with the creation of database. So we're going to look at how do we delete a database. So the delete a database is to use drop. It's not delete database, it's drop database. So drop is the keyword. So drop database marketplace. So that is how you delete the market. So moving to the SQL right now, so I want to drop it. So let me just put here drop database marketplace. Okay. So if I run it now, it's going to disappear out of this place from existence. So if I click, so I want to run this particular line. If I want to read everything, I told you take this one, but I want to run this line. So you click. So it's gone now. It's gone. Now let me create it. Let me put my cursor here and create it. And that's the last thing I want to show you. I want to show you how to select the database. We have so many databases existing here. Marketplace. I've run it again. I've created it. So I want to make use of this one instead of all of them. No one is being selected. So let me select. So what you just do is say use marketplace. Okay. So if you run this command now, let me end with semicolon. So if you run this command, it's going to highlight that particular database so that it will not get confused about so many databases here. So if you click, it will be highlighted. You see now it's highlighted. So that is the theory keyword I want to show you. Create database, delete the database, which is using of drop, and then how to select a database with the keyword use. So thank you very much. We look forward to the next class, and I hope to see you there.